Best Monzo Settings Script. Ever wondered if you're getting the absolute most out of your Monzo account? When I first opened my Monzo account, I thought it was just a flashy debit card. But what I quickly realized is that there are specific settings and features hidden in the app that, when activated immediately, turn Monzo from a basic bank account into a powerful money management tool. Based on my own experience, the things I turned on first and found indispensable, here are the best Monzo settings you need to activate right now to start saving time, effort, and money. 1. Instant notification customization. The default Monzo notifications are great, but they can be overwhelming. The first thing I did was dive into the settings $/right notifications area. I highly recommend doing this. Turn off roundups notifications. Once you set them up, which we'll cover next, you don't need a ping for every single one. Keep on payments received, payments sent, and direct debits/standing orders to maintain control over your money flow. Crucially, set up large payment notifications. I changed mine to alert me if any single transaction over $200 occurs. This is your first line of defense against fraud. 2. Activate and customize roundups. This is a passive savings superpower. You find this in the savings $/right create a pot section, and you link it to a specific pot. Action: immediately create a savings pot and activate roundups. This automatically sweeps the change from every transaction into your chosen pot. For example, a $3.40 coffee becomes a $4.00 charge, and $0.60 is saved. Pro tip: if you want to accelerate saving, turn on the multiplier. I personally use the 2x multiplier. A $3.40 coffee now saves you $1.20. It's barely noticeable day to day, but my roundup pot grows surprisingly fast. 3. Set up spending targets, budgeting. This feature changed my monthly budgeting from a spreadsheet chore to an automated process. Go to the Summary tab. Action: tap the Set Your Spending Targets button. My experience: I immediately set targets for my two biggest problem areas, groceries and eating out. The brilliant part? Monzo automatically groups transactions into these categories. The summary bar then visually tracks my spending against my goal in real time. Seeing the bar turn red before the month ends is the instant, hard-stop feedback I needed. 4. Enable Salary Sorter, automated payments. If you get paid directly into your Monzo account, this is the most significant time saver. When your salary hits, Monzo can automatically divide it. Location: you can usually find the salary sorter option on the home screen right after a deposit or via the Payments tab. My setup: I configured mine to automatically move my fixed expenses immediately. $800 to my rent pot, $150 to my bills pot, and a fixed $200 straight into my long-term savings pot. The remainder goes to my main balance for daily spending. This ensures all my commitments are covered the second I get paid, eliminating the risk of accidental overspending. 5. Create a bills pot and enable Pay from Pot. While the salary sorter funnels money, the bills pot ensures direct debits and standing orders don't dip into your main spending balance. Action: create a pot specifically named Bills. Activation: view the pot and select Pay Bills from this pot. Link: you must then manually link each direct debit or standing order to this new bills pot. Why it works: Monzo will now pay those specific bills directly from the bills pot. Your main account balance is now purely your disposable spending money, making your daily budget incredibly clear. If the bill amount changes, the money is still reserved, preventing nasty surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.